Beautiful lakefront home. This 90s dream features all the loved designs of the time, including vaulted ceilings, big windows and sliding screen doors to the built-in cabinets in every room. You'll never run out of storage for beach towels, life jackets and anything else your lakeside dream demands. There's plenty of room for entertaining at 723 Grandview, with 3 spare bedrooms, 2 guest bathrooms, huge living and kitchen spaces and a back patio that spans the entire width of the house. The master bedroom has private access and a view down to Richland Chambers Lake. Inside the ensuite master bathroom is a walk-in shower, as well as a soaking tub with a view to the lake. A beloved 90s feature is a hidden laundry room connected to the master closet and spare bedroom. This Grandview Estates home was well designed for comfortability of life and is ready for its new owners to enjoy the best lakeside living has to offer.